Morning traders, Mark from TradingMarketTechnicals.com. Today we're going to do a simple overview of my system layout. And then what that does is kind of gives everybody a good look of what are we looking at during the day. And we've been getting a bunch of emails saying, Mark, what are you looking at? How is your system set up? So I thought it would be a great opportunity to share with everybody the nuts and bolts behind TradingMarketTechnicals.com. So let's begin. To our left, upper screen, we have the SPY symbol overlay with the VXX, which is a derivative of the VIX index. And as we all know that it is inversely correlated, so when the VIX is headed lower, the market in general should be headed higher. And I like to see everything in sync if I'm looking to get long the market for that particular trading day. Below, we have four charts, and these are generally charts that stocks that have not triggered but are in their zone getting ready to be triggered. So I'm watching them. To my upper left-hand side of the screen, we have gold, we have silver, have the dollar index, which is also inversely correlated. Below that, we have some currency pairs. We have the dollar Canada, euro yen, the New Zealand yen. In the middle of our screens, we have the E-mini S&P future, which is also critical on tracking risk on, risk off for that particular trading day. Below that, we have several currency pairs as well, the Aussie dollar, the dollar yen, and that's also given us an idea that risk sentiment is on worldwide, right? So if we have our commodities, high-yielding currencies tracking higher, generally the markets in itself would be tracking higher as well. To my right, upper right-hand corner, critical, breadth of the market. I have my 5-minute SPY chart, my 15-minute SPY chart, and my 1-hour SPY chart. And that's really going to give me entries if I'm looking to be shorting the market or if I'm looking to get long. In the middle, crude oil, critical of tracking that as well during the day. We have a Russell 2000 index. We have a Dow Jones Transportation Index below that. We also have the QQQ, which is our technology sector. Copper, HG, which is the future, critical here as well. And the reason why is because copper is a leads the equity markets, believe it or not. And then, of course, our VIX on top. Now, if we pan down below, and here's our system in here during the day, what I look for is really our execution. We have two level 2 boxes in the screen here, and then we have 3 charts. Now, this is where we do our trading. Is if I'm interested in a stock and I'm actually trading the stock, I'm going to be in here at the level 2, executing the order, following the stock and what it's doing in the chart down here. Same thing as well as my center screen. The only thing my center screen is if I'm only in 1 or 2 trades, I'm only going to be focused here, and then my eye is going to be going up here and to my upper right-hand corner. Now, to my right side of the screen, I have my quote board. And my quote board basically just gives me what the markets are doing, plus or minus for the day, the Dow Jones, the transports, the comp, and then, of course, the advancing volume, declining volume. It just kind of gives you also a little bit of quick look of the breadth itself. And then we have our 3 charts here and an extra level 2. And I like to keep Apple up here. Apple, Google, Baidu, some of the high beta names, just to kind of get an idea of what the market is doing. So now let's go on to our secondary platform. And here we have 2 laptops. And up top on the upper end of a laptop is our scanner. And we scan for stocks during the trading day. We have our gap down, our gap up, our 15-minute buy, 15-minute sell, stocks that are crossing a certain moving average that I like to look for. Below is our trading room, Trading Market Technicals free trading room. If you're not signed up, definitely sign up. It is for free. It's a great little community. We have a bunch of guys that call out different stocks, levels of the market, so it's kind of an invaluable tool. I definitely recommend it, and it is for free. On the on the other laptop, excuse me, we have our newsreel, and our newsreel spins off live streaming news and live breaking news as well. So we have a squawk box for that as well. So we're always in tune of what the market is doing. And below we have our quote tracker, and that's really my volume scan. I put my weekly watch list of what I develop on Sunday into that for the rest of the week, so it could be anywhere from 30 stocks to 50 to 100 stocks. That'll all go in there, and we set a criteria of volume. When there's an increase in volume, that's going to entice me, and I'll take that and I'll put that in one of my charts. Guys, I hope this helps. One thing, if you are new to trading, this is a little bit overkill. I wouldn't recommend it because you need to process all this information until you get green. Then I would take it a step further and say add another screen. You're getting better and better as the months go by. Then you might want to add another screen. But I highly do not recommend this. Now, if you are a seasoned professional and you're trading on a consistent basis, then obviously that's your decision on what you do. I hope this helps, guys. Take care and have a great day.